centre punch for this, okay? Take your centre punch. Just give it a tap with the flat surface of your hammer. Oh, don't lose this one, for goodness sake. See how that splayed the surface of that? You all see that? Yeah? Yeah, just using the centre punch. What you then want to do, spread all your pieces together. Okay. So it's like so. So we've got all the pieces together now. Alright, now to splay the other side, the easiest way to do it is to take a little dome punch. Try and use the older ones which are in that side of the case. Don't use the nice ones that are on that side of the case. Always use the older ones for this, okay? You could use the wooden ones or the little metal ones for this job. You can either clamp it in a vise on the workbench, or you can clamp it in one of these, and you'll find these beneath the bench drill, okay? So you simply just turn it over, and that's going to support your pre-splayed rivet and your little dome. And this is when you need about 6 hands. So you want to hold your centre punch. Splay that side. And then we can put it back down on the block. And we can splay this side again. And then we can take it back over here. And splay this side again. Just so we're doing it nice and evenly. And you can go back over here and do this side again. And you could actually just take flat end of the riveting hammer now and flatten that one out, and that's your tube rivet. Oh, take tape off. I just use tape because I just find it easier if everything's kind of held together. You might find you don't need to. Do be careful though when you're drilling little dome things. You're probably going to need to clamp them, especially if they're as small as that. If you try and hold them and drill, it might spin and slice your fingers, okay, so try and clamp them when you're drilling.